Good evening, everyone. First, let me take a moment to express my sincere appreciation to our Barangay Captain, Honorable Stanislao M. De Silva Jr., together with his barangay councilors, and to our Sangguniang Bayan member, Honorable Neil Is Hernandez. Thank you po, sir, for gracing us with your presence tonight. To the basketball players, volleyball, and ML players, sa mga igkasiko taga-barangay Old Rizal, ngan sa mga bisita natin from other barangays, it is a great pleasure po to welcome you tonight. Welcome sini nga aton SK Night Party and Awarding Ceremony. This event is held first to celebrate the success, to celebrate the achievements of our Sangguniang Kabataan Organization. On behalf of the SK Council, I'd like to express my deepest gratitude to those individuals, sa mga teams, and sa mga organizations nga nagbulig sa akong from the day one. Dako po nga salamat sa inyong tanan. Second, we gather here tonight also to celebrate the success of our players sa basketball, sa volleyball, and ML, to those participating teams from day one. Dako gihapon nga salamat sa inyong tanan. And lastly, we were here tonight to, of course, to commemorate the true essence sa naton ti Arapot nga patron. Kaya as we begin this evening, I invite you all to embrace the spirit of unity and camaraderie. Iwasan po naton na magkayaon mga, mga samok. Kaya walay correct said, hindi po yan na time para i-honor naton yung taga naton respeto naton ti Arapot nga patron. Once again, welcome po sa aton SK Night Party and Awarding Ceremony, and congratulations sa mga team. I hope you enjoy the night. Thank you.